Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Mars 4 versus Mars 5. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. First talk about display type. Mars 4 provided 6.6 AMOLED 1080 into 2400 pixels and Mars 5 provided 6.7 AMOLED 120 Hz 1080 into 2400 pixels. So Mars 5 is better. Now let's look at the processor. Mars 4 provided Snapdragon 778G and Mars 5 provided Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, so Mars 5 is better. Now let's look at the RAM. Mars 4 provided 8 GB RAM and Mars 5 provided 12 GB RAM, so Mars 5 is better. Now let's look at the storage. Mars 4 provided 128 GB slash 250 GB storage and Mars 5 provided 256 GB slash 512 GB storage, so Mars 5 is better. Now let's look at the battery. Mars 5 provided 4500 mAh 33-volt fast charging and Mars 5 provided 5000 mAh 65-volt fast charging, so Mars 5 is better. Now let's look at the camera. This is the rear camera. Mars 4 provided 64MP plus 8MP plus 2 camera and Mars 5 provided 108MP plus 13MP plus 2 camera, so Mars 5 is better. Now let's look at the front camera. Mars 4 provided 16MP front camera and Mars 5 provided 32MP front camera, so Mars 5 is better. Now let's look at the operating system. Mars 4 provided operating system Android 12 and Mars 5 provided Android 14, so Mars 5 is better. Now let's look at the 5G support. Yes, 5G support is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the build quality. The build quality of Mars 4 is plastic back Gorilla Glass 5 and the build quality of Mars 5 is aluminium frame Gorilla Glass Victus 2, so Mars 5 is better. Now let's look at the weight. The weight of Mars 4 is 190 gram and the weight of Mars 5 is 210 gram, so Mars 4 is lighter. And in the last, let's look at the price. The price of Mars 4 is estimate $399 and the estimate price of Mars 5 is $599, so it depends upon the budget. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.